Hello everyone, I'm Xu Wei from Yunnan Normal University. Welcome to my course, The Tourism Culture in Yunnan. Before we start today, I hope you can enjoy a movie clip with me. I bet you will like it.
解开我最神秘的等待，星星坠落，风在吹动，终于在将你融入怀中，两颗心颤动。相信我不变的真心，千年等待有我承诺，无论经过多少的
This is a clip from a movie named The Myth, which is one of the popular movies of Jackie Chan. You must have been astonished by the special scenery in the movie clip. Some of you may say, the amazing scenery in the movie must have been done by the 3D technology. Actually, no. Let me tell you the fact. All the scenes in the movie clip were from real landscape. You may ask, where is it? The fairyland scene in the movie clip was just shot in the Coast Cave of Jiuxiang in Yunnan. The movie director was satisfied with the Coast Cave here because the special scenery here provided a dreamland-like place, which exactly matched up with the mysterious atmosphere of the movie. Today, I'm going to introduce the Coast Wonder in Jiuxiang to you. Although Jiuxiang belongs to Coast Landform too, it's totally different from the Stone Forest. The Stone Forest is a coast wonder on the ground, but our topic today, Jiuxiang, is a coast wonder under the ground. They're just like two coast brothers to tell you the geological legend in the past millions of years. Actually, there are a great number of coast wonders in Yunnan, and this one is a good case study for you to understand the coast caves in Yunnan province. Here is a question. Where is it? Jiuxiang tourist region is located in Yiliang County of Kunming City. It's 90 kilometers away from the downtown of Kunming and only 28 kilometers away from the Stone Forest scenic region. It is famous for its caves, mountains, rivers, deep valleys, minority customs, and cultures. The climate here is mild all year round. The average temperature throughout the year is 14.6 degrees Celsius. Jiuxiang tourist region covers an area of 16 square kilometers. Because of erosion by the Earth's surface water system, the typical coast landform came into being in the past 500 million years in Jiuxiang. There are more than 100 caves in this area, which is known as the largest coast cave group in Yunnan. Some cave experts name here the Cave Museum due to its diversified coast caves. How did the miracle views in Jiuxiang come into being? Before we answer the question, I hope you can recall the formation of the Stone Forest a little bit. The main element in limestone is calcium carbonate. Rainfall and air together eat away at the limestone surface because the calcium carbonate is dissolved by water and carbon dioxide. So limestone on the ground is naturally carved. This is the first half for the story of coast wonders. Now, let me continue to tell you the second half of the coast story. After water dissolved the calcium carbonate and flowed to the space below the surface of the earth, the pressure and temperature changed dramatically. This kind of change made the calcium carbonate come out and precipitate in different forms in the underground space. This is the Cast Cave view we can see today. In short, calcium carbonate was transformed from the limestone on the surface of the earth to the stalactites and the stalagmites in caves. It sounds like a magic that the nature did, right? But you know, it takes about 60 million years for nature to finish the chemical magic here. Finally, a variety of karst topography in Jiuxiang came into being because of the movement of earth crust and long-term precipitation of calcium carbonate. So, there is a series of deep valleys, huge karst caves, the ancient microbiological fossils, curved stones, and multi-layered caves. Some precious wonders here can hardly be seen at home and abroad. Today, I will show several surprises for your trip in the underground karst caves in Jiuxiang. The first surprise is Green Shady Valley. On both sides of the valley, you can see a lot of stalactites. You may wonder, stalactites only can be found in karst caves. Why are they here? In Green Shady Valley, a valley on the surface of Earth? The truth is that the valley used to be a huge karst cave. That is to say, both sides of the mountain here used to be connected. Later, due to the geological movements, the top of the cave completely collapsed. So, stalactites and the river in the cave were exposed in the open air. The karst cave finally turned to be a valley. Bushes and trees on both sides of the valley are luxuriant, hence the name Green Shady Valley. This valley provides an ideal place for the dating of local e-boys and girls. They often came over here, singing, dancing, and socializing. This is why the Shady Valley is also called the Lover Valley. The second surprise is the line hole in the cave. The line hole is a natural hole that covers an area of 15,000 square meters. It is about the size of 2 standard football fields. A stalactite here is resembling a lion, hence the name the line hole. The line hole results from the whirling and rushing of an ancient underground river. The flow of water in the cave compressed the air at the top. With the rapid flow of the river, the air and the water rapidly collided. The ceiling of the line hole is the outcome of being grounded by the river and the air. After the river dried up due to the redirection, the magnificent line hole was left. Standing in the hole, you may be astonished that the ceiling of the hole is just an entire seamless plate without being supported by any stone columns. It still sheltered the line hole for thousands of years. There are several honeycomb caverns on the ceiling, which act as the natural sound filters that make here a natural underground music hall. In 1998 and 1999, the large-scale concerts were held here. That was regarded as the amazing performance of man and nature. There are more surprises in the karst caves in Jiuxiang. Please be patient. I will tell you in details next time. Thank you for your listening. See you next time. 这节课中涉及的相关词汇，同学们请看这里哦。